Welcome guys once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel. So in this video I want to walk you through on how to edit a YouTube video. You finish shooting your video or creating a video and you don't know how to transform that video from the raw form to the um, final product, like how it's going to look captivating to your audience. So in this video I want to show you how to do that in very simple editing. So we are using CapCut. Open your system, then you open your CapCut software, or if you are using phone CapCut app on your phone, no problem, you can still work hand to hand with me as I'm doing my own. So the next thing you want to do here is to click on this create project. Click on create project. Now let me open this and show you this. Please and please, if this is your first time checking my channel, I please help me by subscribing, support my channel by subscribing, and also like this video so this video could get more views, and also you could share this video to more people. So what I want to do here now, I will go back to my CapCut. So once you open CapCut, this is how CapCut look like on system. Then the next thing you want to do is to bring in the video you want to edit. So I'll hit on this now, then I'll go to where the video is. My video here. All right, this is the video I want to use. I'll bring it in now. So here is the video. Then after bringing in the video, there are other things I will likely want to bring in, such as, don't forget I'm editing video, YouTube video. So I want to bring in such as my subscribe button. You're watching video, you just notice when you see subscribe, you notice the reaction, the kind of animation stuff on the screen um, of your phone. You get it now. So what is in charge of that? So you could also, this is it here. I could choose to bring all this in. Let me see, I'm going to bring this one. Oh, no, I'm not bringing this. I'm okay with this two here. I'm okay. So I'll take them in. Why the other one is not going in? So let me go and import that one also. I don't know why it's like that. So this one here, I'll bring it in also. And also I need sound, background sound. Now this sound, I got this sound on YouTube. I have to download it from YouTube library. Audio library is free and it's copyright free also. You can use it for any of your YouTube video. Please don't go and pick somebody else's song and use it as a background. They will flag your YouTube channel. They will flag your video. In fact, they might pull down the video. YouTube really hates anything copyright. So I'll import this also. So this has been imported. So, but if you go to YouTube audio library, you could use any sound or any song, background song, and the rest that you find here. They are all meant for content creators. So the first thing I want to do here is to bring down my real video, which is this. I'll bring it down, then I'll play. I'm going to play this video now.
Hey everyone, Dante here. Welcome once again to my...
Now that part where I started talking, from the part where I walked in and to where I started talking, I have to trim that off. I have to split that off because I don't have to show people the time I walked into. I walked in before my camera and sat down. So I think people don't need to see that. It look horrible to me.
Hey everyone.
So the aspect of hey everyone.
Hey everyone, Dante here. Welcome once again to...
So you play again.
Hey.
Now you take back a bit. Now you see, as a video editor, you just have to keep listening to the editing, like the video. You have to keep doing playback. So you could be current, you could be following up what you're editing. So this part where it is now, I'm going to trim off. Is either I do delete to the left or delete to the right. If I do delete to the right, then from here downward we go. No, I'm going to do delete to the left because the left part is what I don't want. Or if I would just want to split into two, I will use the first one split. So I'll do delete to the left. So it's gone. Let's play again.
Hey everyone.
So the part where I walked in has been splitted out. So that's just it. Then I'll come back here where I worked out towards the end.
Video more people. Haven't done that? Let's move straight to work.
Now you see where I stop. Let's move straight to work. I was the one that shot this video, so of course I will know where I ended the video. If you are not the one that make that video, you are probably watching, editing someone else's video. What you just have to do to be on the safer side is to watch the video from the beginning to the end. So you should know what and what, at what point a particular thing occurred in that video. It will not be like a strange thing. Oh, I don't know. You just cut off the important part of the video and you get your client will of course get angry or something. So I will advise watch the video to the end if you are not the one that shot the video, if you're not that make the video. And if you're the one that made the video, go straight to the point where you think there's something that at some point you said something you need to be trade off. So I think it is more easier if you are the one that shot that video. So I'm the one that shot the video myself, and I'm the one that make the content, the scripting, and the rest. So I know at this point here, this need to go off. So from this line here downwards to my right need to go off. So I'm going to hit on this. You can see delete right. So it's off now. So let's see. Play again.
Haven't done that? Let's move straight to work.
So you see that part now is gone. If I did not do that, look at what would have happened. I will undo this now. Look at what would have happened.
Hey everyone.
Now, this part is what I don't want my viewers to see. Of course, you don't want your viewers to see this. So what you just have to do there is to make sure you trim it off, you split it off. And that was what I did. I just showed you how it's going to look like if you don't trim off. People will say, huh? What's happening? You just stood up? Oh, no, 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 no. It's not making sense. It doesn't show your professionalism in video editing. So you just have to trim that part off. Play again. So that part where you finish talking.
More people. Haven't done that? Let's move straight to work.
Now, let's move straight to work. Immediately you stop it there. That is the part you need to train off from. Take it back again.
Let's move straight to work.
Let's move straight to work. Immediately stop it there. Then from that part, train down to your right. So I'm going to train down to my right. So it's gone now. Let's play it again and see.
Show this video more people. Haven't done that? Let's move straight to work.
Get that now. Let's move straight to work. That's just it. So this aspect of training has been perfected. Now, if it happens to be that at some point you say some things within the video, then you don't have to do train to the left completely or train to the right. You just have to use this aspect of train, like split, which is Control B. So you just have to use that, then split the video into two, then you now locate where that aspect of error or something occurred. So since you are the one that shot the video, and if you are not the one, watch the video like I said from beginning to the end, so you can know at what point you are going to trim off. So let's undo this, Ctrl Z. Now the next thing you want to do here is to do some color grading. So this video, look at it, the raw video is looking horrible. Let's do some color grading. I will make this video look catchy to our audience, to our viewers. So what I do is to come to this adjustment, then adjustment, you come to custom adjustment, drop it down, hit on this plus, you can see the thing is down now, then you stretch it. Okay, stretch it, extend it. So after you extend it, you click on this adjustment, you see some functions will open for you here to tell you that this is where you can do some manipulation. So I will increase the tempo a bit. Watch what is happening. Take it to 10. The tint also I will take it to 7, and the saturation I will take it to I think I'll take it to 8. Take it up again. This exposure I don't really use it, so I'll just leave it to 0. Leave it at 0 rather. Then this contrast Contrast, I use it with a bit, let me maybe to add 5. Then highlights, no, I leave it as. One beautiful thing about editing is it is not important, it's not compulsory you must use all the tools in your software. You only use tools that you think tools based on what you want to do. Don't There's a reason why you don't have to know all the tools before you can start anything. Start with what you know, and this is the reason why I'm making this video. With this video, after watching this video, you should be able to do some basic editing yourself. So continue from where we stop. We go to the white, a bit, I leave it as 6. I will take this to no black. Let me take it. This black actually will get to affect the color of my clothes, and I love that a bit. So I'll just make it small, not make it so much. -6 is okay. Then the brilliance, this brilliance. I'll take this brilliance backward to 20. I guess 25 is fine. If you take it down, now what do you notice? You notice that the real color of my background, which is pink, it's really coming out. I love using this brilliance a lot because it gives me that color grading just as I want it. So I'll take it to full. You see what's happening there now, but the full is not too fine. So just leave it at that 20 something, probably 26 or 27. I think it's fine this way. So the next I want to do sharp. Add sharp a bit. Sharpen. Probably could be, let's say like 4 or 3 or so. Clarity should be around that 10. Leave it at 10. Leave it at 10. Now the beauty of this thing here to come out, if you use a good camera, that's where you see the real beauty. Then all these particles, there is a reason why you need to use particles. At some point, based on the editing you're doing, particles is important, very important. But then I don't need it here. So that's why I say not all the tools you use. Just work based on what you want to achieve at the end of the day. So use the tools that gives you that. So fade, I don't need it. So leave it that way. We have the vint. How do I pronounce this? Vignette. 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 Okay. So I go to this. You can also take this. You have white, and this is green. I use most times I use this dark kind of colors. I think it's fine, but I think in this video I don't need it. So if you want to make it, so leave it at 0. Not everything you need. Focus on just what you need. So the next thing I want to do here is to see how I could work on the sound, the audio of my video. Probably the audio of my video having some background noise and the rest. So I'll just click on the video footage. Then I will come to this audio here, and I can increase the audio, increase it. If the volume is a bit low, I will increase it to 18 or something. So just increase it. As you are increasing, like I said, keep checking what you are doing to make sure it's giving you your desired outcome. So let's play.
Hey everyone, Dantec here. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to show you how you can change your YouTube.
So you could see how this video looked like compared to when the video was actually looking horrible this way. Let us see the video itself initially. Now look at when this video was looking horrible. This is a video here.
Hey everyone, Dantec here. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to show you how you can change your YouTube, your video background. Now, you don't have to stress yourself, like go through the normal process or the formal process of changing this thing. It is very much easier.
This is what color grading does for you. So editing transforms your video from looking horrible to looking superb. Who says editing is not good? Tell me. So that's for that. I'm going to close this thing. I feel I should reduce this um that brilliancy. I think I should reduce it. Go to the adjustment, then reduce that brilliancy a bit. That brilliance a bit. I could just take it to probably 20. I think this 20 is fine.
Your video background.
It's fine this way. Now, if you listen to the back to the sound,
Now,
you hear some kind of sounds, background sound. Now that sound is not that maybe where I was. It's noisy. I don't know the mic I use is just like that. Since I got that mic, it's making some kind of sound. So what I do to get it to get rid of it is to during editing I remove this noise. Okay, so how to achieve that is by clicking on the video footage, then go to audio, then scroll down. You could see reduce noise, so reduce it. At some time, you don't get to remove it completely, you just have to reduce it. And when you check it again, you see that the reducing really take this. So
now you don't have to stress yourself like go.
you could see now it is better than how it was before. So that's for that. So if you what have we done now? We're able to train, split the video, we're able to do some color grading, we're able to I'm going to show you some features how to do something here. So that's for that. Don't forget we are editing video, YouTube video. So I'll go back to my imports stuffs here. Now here, whatever I want to drop here, and I really want to play them to see how it looks like. I don't have to bring it down before I play, so I can just hit on it and it plays for me. So I preview it first. So I want to put background sound to this. So I will drag this sound and bring it here. Okay, that's perfect. Perfect. Then it's longer than the video itself, then I'll reduce it. So it's perfect. Listen to it now.
Like go through the normal.
So you could see that the sound, background sound, and my own voice in the video they are like congesting, like the clash. The sound is the one has to come down for the other. So I have to reduce the background sound so that people will get to hear what I have to say. So reducing that, I have to take this backward. Take it backward. You could take it to 18. Take it to 18 or so. So while you are doing that, you just try have it.
Normal process or the formal process of changing this thing, it is very much easier.
Now you can see that the background sound has been reduced and my voice is loud now. So that's how to do this, okay? So the next thing you want to do here now is to see how you want to put uh now sometimes you want to put edit a kind of animation or text while you are talking, you want something to show up. No problem. How to do this is this. So
Process of changing this thing, it is very much easier.
I'll put it
Background.
here.
Now you don't have to stress yourself. You can change your YouTube, your video background.
Now you can see now I was saying something.
Show you how you can change your YouTube.
How you can change your
Show you how.
So at that point where I'm saying how you can change your video background. So I want to put a text there. I will come to this place, text, then I will go to default. Okay, let's go to basic. Then it shows you default. You hit on the plus sign there. So look at what it brings out now. So you can put in your text here. So you see how to change your video uh, background. So this how to change. I need to change the spelling. So the size, font size now decrease it. Then I can just take this. Now I bring this to the center. Now I could change the font. Okay. And I could also make this bigger a bit. It's your choice. Another thing is that just walk around these things here. There are many features here. You could also use the templates. There are some templates here already made for you that you could use your choice. But like me, I don't really like using most of these templates. So, but I don't know what is your choice. What's your choice like? I love designing, like doing my own thing. Do I like it? So the next thing you want to do here is to hit on this stroke so that people will be able to read the text. Hit on stroke to give it a kind of border, black border. So you see how the text look like now. So you could also increase the thickness of the border. Okay, it's a choice. You leave it at 35. You okay that, or you could decide to put a background there, and also you could also decide to change the background color. Change the background color to whatever fits you. So you could see how these things work. Now, if you want to change this background color, you want to make the corners rounded. You can also do this. You can see it looking perfect. So play around with these things and get so curve. If I want to curve that text, I will click this. I don't know why that is not working, but then let's continue. So this is how to do that now. I could play this video again. Let me just zoom. Click on this place to zoom. Zoom. Okay, still the zoom is too much. Let me just play this video and see.
I want to show you how you can.
So you see how the write-up came up. I don't want it that way. It has to be some kind of animation that makes it look very beautiful in the eye. So I have to click on the text and increase it a bit to wherever I want it to end. Then go to animation here. Then I could add animation. Now, sometimes you have to, but the very first time you need to use your internet connection to download these things. You see many resources here. Looking the download icon. These ones are not showing icon download because I've downloaded them already. So I will use any of them now. Use this one.
How you.
So you see it now. So I'm going to play it now and see. Play it again.
I want to show you how you can change your.
You see how the animation, because of the animation, the way the text appears. So that is the in animation. I need the out animation. Like if my video is done, I want it to be, I want animation to still occur, not that just leaving that way. No, I don't want it that way. So what I will do is that, so you just go to that same animation. Under that, you could see out. The one we did first was in, and we pick the first one here. So there are many here you could pick of your choice. Pick any one of your choice. Go to out now. Then I will pick this first one.
Now,
Let's play it now and see how it like.
I want to show you how you can change your YouTube, your video background. Now, you don't have to stress yourself like.
So you don't have to stress yourself.
You don't have to stress yourself.
Look at that point where I said you don't have to stress yourself. I could decide to bring in what we call transition there. Transition helps your video to look very captivating while your viewers are watching. So watch.
To stress yourself.
You don't have to stress yourself. So you need to be listening to this over and over. So you know where that thing is coming from.
You don't have to. Now, you don't have. No, you don't have. Now, now.
Now, so I love it here now. I will split this part. I will split it using the first split to split it. Then I can go to this animation here. You see it now? Animation, sorry, transition. Sorry, I'm sorry, transition. So if you go to transition, I have some transition that have been downloaded already. I will use these ones. So you can see different types here. Let me just.
Now, you don't have to. Now, you don't have to. Now, you don't have to.
So let us just use one here. I'll hit on this plus sign and it will enter. So So let's play now.
Now, you don't have to stress yourself, like go through the normal process or the formal process of changing this thing. It is very much easier. So that's what I want to show you in this video. The first thing you want to do now is to make sure that you film yourself well.
So the first thing you want to do now is to make sure you film
yourself well. That you film yourself well. Sure that you film yourself. What you do now is to make sure that you
film yourself. So I could just copy this and come to this part and paste it. So I want to see that I want to have a highlight on that. So it's going to be my highlight is going to be film yourself. You get it now? Film yourself. So let's play. So I want it to be this font. All right, let's play. So you see what that look like. Let's see.
That you film yourself well. Use any background of your choice.
Film yourself. Okay, that is the point. First, film yourself. So this is how you keep doing. You listen to the video at some point when you know where to put those things. You see how video editing really takes time. So you tell some people you are editing 3 minute video for 4 hours. They ask you, it's happening. You want to kill this? Is it possible? 4 hours for 3 minute video? Guy, it is possible. Really, because some videos require some kind of technicalities that require you to spend more time and diligence before you can get it done. It doesn't matter the duration of the video. That's just it. So this has been achieved. I think the last thing we wrap up, the video is already going 20-something minutes. Just to wrap up, what else? What else? Basic things that you need to do. Basic things, basic things, basic things. So let's go to this now. Come back to our imports. Then we can bring this subscribe. So let's see where that one will come.
Where I will show you how to use your phone to still achieve the same result. So, but in this video, I will use laptop, the system. So, if you find this video very interesting, please do well to subscribe to my.
Now that's part of. If you find this video interesting, do well to subscribe to the channel. I'm telling you now. I'm also telling you now. If you find this video, this one you're watching now, do well to subscribe. Please subscribe. Let me hit 1,000 subscribers. So come to this place and learn to be a present. So
Subscribe to my.
So while I'm saying subscribe, what happened? I will bring in this. If you click on plus, it will appear as a video. No, I don't want it as a video. I want it as a layer. There are two types. There's a video footage and layer. So layer means whatever you put as a layer will be on top of the real video. So I don't want it to be as the video. It will be as the inside.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please.
Inside is going to be. That's not what I want. It will be at the end. But that is not what we want to do. We want it to be on top. So
I will use laptop, the system. Please do well to subscribe.
So do well to subscribe.
Please do well to subscribe.
So I'm going to either I pick this, let's click, then drag it, put it here. Okay, then reduce this a bit. Go to this, remove background. Okay. So this remove background here, remove BG, click on it, scroll up, click on chroma key, then you can see color picker here. Click on that color picker, then you take, once you click on color picker, make sure that this is really showing. So click on the color picker, then once you click on it, you take your mouse cursor to where the green animation subscribe button is. So once you show, you can see what is happening now. If I take it towards the white, you see what's happening. The red, it turns to red. The blue, you see it now. So but it's the green we want it. So now what we do now is to click on it, then we now scroll, increase this intensity, then decrease this one. If you still have some particles of green around it, you can just use the shadow to remove it. Okay, so you get it done. Let's play.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, it is free of charge subscribing. And also like this video for YouTube to
So this is how you add subscribe bot animation, and at that point of time when you say ask it to subscribe, it shows up. So that's just how to do a basic YouTube editing. I believe I'm going to explain a whole lot in this video, and watching this video your knowledge will be the same as it was before you started watching the video. So encourage you by hitting the subscribe button. I've said it over and over. I'll remind you, like this video, share this video with friends and family who probably need this editing skill, and see you in my next video. I'm going to make more videos, sophisticated ones, kind of technical editing. Alright, bye. So if I want to export, at this point now I've been able to edit now. Let me show you how to export if I run it up. So come to this place here, okay, click on export, then so I don't know why is it giving us this. Let's just back to editing, click on export again. So I feel probably I did not. Okay, you know what it's telling me here? It's saying because I use a tool that is premium that I can export. That's it. Lapping through at some point I use a premium tool I can export. So I have to go and remove them. So I have to remove the animation. I use Pro actually. So let's see. Let me try this one here. This one is not Pro.
how you
Okay. And also try this one here. This one is not Pro. So I'll also come here again. I'll try this one. This one is not Pro. This one is Pro. I will remove it and put this one that is not Pro.
with your
Let's try the export again now. You see what is giving us now. So actually I have to use my based on this is not the first time using this software. So I was able to relate it what exactly they're trying to talk about. So after you are done with this, the next thing you want to do, you could give your video name. You could just say video, you just say YouTube video. Now resolution will depend on where you want to put this video. I love exporting 1080 pixels because it makes your video very sharp, bright, and the rest. So if you no problem, you can also export in 720 pixels, but that should be your list. Don't export below this, except the video you don't want to put on social media. No problem. But then if you want something quality, 1080 pixels, 720 is still fair. Or if you want something higher, 2K, 4K, no problem. So next is I want to pick this recommendable. This is okay. MP4 format is fine. 3 frequency pixels, which is the frame rate, is okay. Then the next thing I want to do is to hit on this export. So if we hit on the export now, so if I change this 1080 now to 720, you see the megabytes, the size of the video will decrease. So I will change it to 780, 1080 rather. So I will export now. So this is what happened while you're exporting. You can see now. So let's just wait for the exporting.